yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Susie and the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down a song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I seen fire and I seen rain. I seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I had lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you again. I want you to look down upon me, Jesus. You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body is aching and my time is at hand, and I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen a lonely time when I could not find a friend, but I'd always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. For hours of time on the telephone line, talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Oh, I seen fire and I seen rain. I seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I